I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like
Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome if you're new. I'm pretty excited because today I'm sharing with you a grocery haul, which we're about to get into, and cleaning. So I need to clean up the kitchen, clean up the living room, wash clothes, dry clothes, all those things, make my bed. It is like 1 p.m. and I haven't even made my bed yet. So if you are interested in watching cleaning motivation, just stick around, and if you're new, subscribe. And at the end of this video, I'll be reading off a comment from the last video. So if you are new here, leave a comment down below. And hopefully, I'm out of breath. I just got done unloading all these groceries. I will read your comment in the next video. I try to read the ones that I see that I've never seen before comments. But let's go ahead and get into this grocery haul. By the way, my name's Kimmy. I don't know if I said that, but I'm glad to have you. And if you are a returning viewer, I appreciate y'all coming back. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so I spent $85 at the grocery store. If I hadn't had to get feminine products, I would have spent under, I think under 70. These were $6.99, these were $6.99, and this was $5. So that's like $18 altogether right there. So yeah, we would have done good. Okay, and I just did filler items, so I'm gonna explain that a little bit further when we open the fridge and the freezer. But I got some Rotini Pasta. These were 79 cents. Thin spaghetti was also 79 cents, and this is the big one. It was cheaper by unit to buy the big box of spaghetti. Normally I get the one that's half the size because there's just 2 of us, but it was cheaper to do it this way. And so I got a big jar of grape jelly because Aaron is also going to be taking his lunch to work, so he can save $10 every day by not stopping and getting food. Okay, classic Alfredo sauce. This was, I think these were 85 cents, and so were these, the garden spaghetti sauce, the tomato onion sauce, barbecue chips. Those were 75 cents each, I believe. And then these, all 4 of these were 4 for $5. So I got a pumpkin spice one, that's totally for me. Donut sticks, totally for me. Then I got oatmeal pies, just the regular kind, for Aaron. And I also got the fudge stripe snack cakes. So these were the best deal. They also had the brand name oatmeal pie and a few other things on sale for 3 for $5. But then when I saw the 4 for $5, I was like, okay, well, that's obviously a better deal. So I went ahead and got those. Then these trash bags, this is silly to me. So I've always used the trash bags that have the drawstrings that come out because I just like that better. But it is crazy to me that they charge you literally double just so you can have a drawstring in your trash bag. How crazy is that? This was $4.99. Only these were $1. I don't think this was a great deal, to be honest, but it was kind of hard to go off the unit price. There's only 5 or 6 slices of lunch meat in there for $1. So I did end up getting 2, and that's why I got the jelly in case he doesn't want a sandwich. Then I got this big bag, which I'm going to split up. This is almost 4 pounds of meat. It's 3.68 pounds, and it was $11, which I think is a really good deal. It was $2.99 a pound. So what I'm going to do is divide this in 4, and then I'll have meat for 4 nights. And I got the Alfredo and the pasta sauce and noodles to help me out with that. And then this sandwich bread was $1 something. I don't know. Okay, these drinks, 59 cents each. Crazy. And then these, I did pick up 2 of these. They were 2 for $4, so $2 each, but I still saved money because my the coffee monster that I get is $2.98, and then the Starbucks drinks I normally get are over $3. So I still saved at least $1 each by getting the Dunkin' one. I've never tried this before, but I always get me a little treat. Anyways, so yeah, that is what I got at the grocery store, and I want to show y'all why I didn't get a lot of actual produce and groceries. I have a giant bag of rolls still. I have an unopened bag of chicken there, an unopened bag of chicken there. I have some meatballs in there, a pork loin, a whole bunch of vegetables right there, a big bag of fries. And in here, last night, I fixed spaghetti with meatballs, but Aaron also bought pizza, so I have pizza, spaghetti, and then I have potatoes, lots of onions, and then in here I have plenty of vegetables to get us through, and I also have tuna if I wanted to make tuna patties, and I have stuff to make breakfast. So I have lots of stuff. In the future, I want to start going to the grocery store once a month because we have this big deep freezer. But for now, because we are going to go see my mom, I think not this coming week, but next week, you know, Christmas week, we're going to see my mom. I didn't want to stock up too much on groceries that are going to perish. So let's get back into the cleaning, shall we? Leave that in there. Stop. Inappropriate. I'm leaving that in there so all you wives can have a laugh.
Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby.
My dust mop, I've left it in here and I love this. So after I clean out my dryer thing, I take my dusty mop and I just go over the dryer every time, and it picks up that dust, and I think this is wonderful because it should keep this area a lot less dusty. So let's keep cleaning. But yes, I'll have one of these linked down below if you don't have one already.
You got me in the mood. It feels like I'm about to get screwed. My heart is easily misled. They say once you get older you regret. Hitting the clouds, give me time. What is the harm? There's no crime out there.
So I have to tell you all about this. This is from Method, and I get all my Method products from Grove Collaborative, which I have a referral link down below. If you're new to Grove and you sign up, you get a free gift set, and I think you get 4 or 5 products. It's a really good gift set. It starts you out using, I think, Mrs. Meyer's products, and you get that free gift set with a $20 purchase. But the great thing about Grove, it is, I always tell people it's nothing like an MLM, because it kind of sounds like an MLM, you know, like use my referral link, you'll get a gift set, you know, but it's nothing like that. So I only order from Grove when I need to instead of when I have to. So a lot of programs would prefer you to purchase things each month, and it's like a subscription based plan. Grove is not like that. It's just like going to the store, except for you shop online. So I've had this bottle for months now. I love it because, okay, it smells like peppermint, which is what I love, and it is a glass plus surface cleaner, so you can use this on your glass and all of your surfaces, and so it's like a 2-for-1, which I really like. And so I will have that link down below, but I love Method and Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. They do the job and they don't smell super harsh. And normally the prices on Grove are the same as what you would see in a Walmart or a Target, so there's no extra cost. And if you do their VIP plan, which is what I'm on, it's $19 a year, and you get free shipping the whole entire year. So it's definitely worth it, because I think I probably order from Grove maybe 3 to 4 times a year, and if you don't have their VIP with the free shipping, shipping is like $6 a go. So I love it. But I'm going to finish cleaning this. I forgot I'm supposed to do my mirror first. Mirror, then sinks, then toilet. I used to use Young Living, and I would get their, what is it called? I don't even remember now. But they had some cleaning products, and I used to use them. Thieves. But I didn't like that I had to order each month, and I had to order a minimum of like $50 a month, and I also didn't like that it was an MLM. So switching to Grove has been great because I don't have to worry about buying things that I don't need just to keep my status active, and I can skip months whenever I want to. So I wanted to share that as well. So the way to skip a month is if you purchase from Grove and then say next month you don't need anything, go to your Grove account and go to your shopping cart and just delete everything from your shopping cart, and they will skip that month for you, and they'll keep skipping the months until you start putting other things in your shopping cart. So it's a win-win.
A minute until midnight, I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had.
Cleaning video and you got some motivation out of it, and if you're excited for more cleaning videos and you're new, leave a comment down below. Let me know, say hi, and let me go ahead and read a comment from one of the previous videos before we end this video. Alright, so this is from Kelly Reynolds, and this video was the bathroom organization video. She said, your videos are great. There's nothing wrong with mobile homes. Thank you for sharing them. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. And I know a lot of you have told me you also live in a mobile home, and I don't think I'll ever not live in a mobile home. I told y'all in that video that our ultimate goal is to live in a double wide, and I hope to stay in a mobile home for the rest of my life, because honestly I just like the way they're set up. I like that they're long and kind of like, I don't know, it's so weird. It's like living in a giant camper. I don't know. And then Jen said your big towels might fit more rolled and placed in the bin straight up. I love the rolling method. And then Pamela said, bless your heart, you are so humble, and that's what I like. I'm more comfortable watching videos that are real and not fake. Thank you for sharing. Blessings, Pam. Thank you, Pam. That means so much to me. Also, if y'all are really sweet comments in the comments and all I say is thank you so much, it's because I was raised, let me know if y'all are raised this way too, but I was raised that when someone gives you a compliment or like congratulates you for something or anything like that, to just say thank you and not to like brag about it, if that makes sense. Like, just say thank you. So I've always been comfortable, like I don't know what I'm supposed to say other than just thank you. So if you always see me just saying thank you, it's because that's how I was raised. Anyways, I was raised in the church. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna read for today. Vida said way to go, Kimi, because it was an organization video. But I will see y'all back here on the next video. Hopefully I didn't leave anything out. I felt like I rambled a lot in this video, but I'm just pretty hyper today. I drank one of those Dunkin' Donut coffees and I may drink the other one. Alright, bye y'all.
I don't usually